Here is the time. This is recorded in the live. You can see that it's Tuesday, Friday 4th, 2020, and the time you can be watching here live. I've written, and this script even auto logins to the portal and does all the stuff. What I'll do is like I'll hide the code here, and it already opened the browser, and it's going to log in by itself. I'm leaving it here and minimizing the browser code here. So now you'll be able to see everything what's going on. I am leaving this system as is without disturbing. Um, so we'll see. Let's watch. And most of the trades will happen for these stocks actually. So keep watching. Have a good day. Bye. Just to make sure that the this is automated trading, I'm leaving the mouse here. And just to keep everything open, it will be running all the time. So these are the targets open buy sell order. It already placed a buy order. So it already bought a Titan, and it also placed orders for Ajanta Pharma. It's, yeah, it already bought again like sell again Tata Chemicals. It exited Titan uh, the profit of 2.85 rupees. And Ajanta is also leading. Tata is also sold out. You can see that mouse is there, not disturbing it. It's auto placing the orders and exiting the things. What I did is like I kept a margin of 0.003, which is like 3% kind of thing. And a few times, like when the volatile is very high, like it might be missing the profit. So that's what happened with the Tata Chemicals. So actually, it had the higher margin, but later it came back. If you see Nestle India, it's a bit costly stock, so it will take some time to exit. So there is an error while placing the news. The system will automatically sell it out, or else will be taking bit losses. There is no stop loss implementation at this point. I'm just practicing it like it's this rough script which I prepared just to see how the trading happens. If this is successful, I'll write the stop loss hunting this weekend. That will be. If you see this, Nestle also reached the target and exited at 30.085. And the only thing left is Britannia. What I generally prefer to do is like I'll leave this trading till 10 o'clock. After that, um, whatever like hopefully most of the stocks, shortlisted stocks will be placed, ordered, and exited. If they are not, then I'll try to like if the Britannia is also completed, I will just stop trading for today. To see that we already placed five orders here. Out of one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Out of eight, which means three didn't reach the open breakout thing. remaining all mine. So let's see how these things work. And as it is paper trading, I'm doing trading with only one stock, one quantity. So for Ajanta, its opening price is 1196.70, and I sold at this one, and quantity is one. So it's like after brokerage charges, it's 1.92. If you take the imagining, like let's take the quantity of 1000 and plan our trade. We'll see how much profit we got for the day. So that's 11858 this time. So ending the contract. At the end, we'll see like how much total profit we got. So for second, Britannia India. And we got a 2407. And now, so after the stay in Hyderabad, so I'm selecting Telangana and let's see how much profit we got for today. That's 30,522 rupees per day. The span of, uh, if you see this, last order got placed and exited at 9:32, which means like we started around 9:25, not even 10 minutes. We gained 30,000 profit. Okay, 30,000 profit. I'll continue, I mean, without changing the script, actual script, I'll continue this trading till this Friday, which is like a one continuous week. Depending on the all the observations, I'll make the modification and improve my script. Please leave your feedback on this. Thank you.